If you've seen Evervision online, you've probably noticed some bold claims: clearer vision, reduced eye strain, maybe even restored eyesight. But does Evervision really work, or is it just another overhyped vision product? Let's break it down carefully. So Evervision is typically marketed as a vision support supplement or program, claiming to improve your eye health, reduce blur, and support long-term vision. Some ads strongly imply vision restoration through natural ingredients or special formulas. And that's where the first red flag begins. Because restoring vision is a very serious medical claim. Here's the truth: there's no scientifically proven supplement that can restore damaged eyesight, reverse conditions like myopia, presbyopia, cataracts, or macular degeneration. Yes, certain nutrients like lutein, zeaxanthin, vitamin A, and omega-3s can support eye health and help reduce eye strain or slow age-related decline. But supporting eye health is very different from restoring vision. Any product claiming full vision restoration without medical treatment is exaggerating or misleading. When reviewing Evervision style products, here are common red flags. Vague claims like clinically proven without linking real clinical trials, testimonials instead of peer-reviewed evidence, no clear medical endorsement from licensed ophthalmologists, and heavy use of fear-based marketing like doctors don't want you to see this. These tactics are extremely common in vision supplement marketing, even when the product itself is just a basic vitamin blend. Evervision is likely real as a supplement, meaning it may contain standard eye health ingredients. But if you're expecting it to restore your eyesight, remove glasses, or reverse eye disease, that expectation is not realistic. At best, it may help you with eye fatigue, dryness, or general eye nutrition. At worst, it's overpriced vitamins wrapped in aggressive marketing. So does Evervision actually restore vision? No credible scientific evidence supports that claim. If you care about your eyesight, your best options are still regular eye exams, proper lighting and screen habits, clinically recommended treatments, and medically backed supplements, not miracle cures. The bottom line: Evervision is not a vision storing solution. Be very cautious of the claims. Your eyes deserve facts, not hype. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.